everyone, it's Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming. And please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back watching my videos all the time. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So, for today's video everyone, this is another sponsored video from a company named Ustarbiz.ru. This is another replica store company, guys, online. Okay, they give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime in this product, so in exchange to my video. So here comes, I am doing this. I will do an unboxing, of course, and I will do a review, and definitely I will do another try on in this. Okay, so please see me more in the inside of my unboxing and in my try on, of course, and I will do a review. Okay, so without further ado, we will do the unboxing, guys. Okay, so we will open up this. Please careful when using sharp object. Okay, thank you. Can't wait to see this. Oh, look at this. Very well sealed from all this bubble wrap. Wow, that was how many rolls of bubble wrap, guys. This is very well packed, well protected. Thank you so much for doing this. See, this is awesome packaging though. So we will proceed. Look at this. I got all the papers, receipt and stuff like that. All right. Ta-da! Holy smoke. That bag is really good. Heavy duty. Thank you for that. And ta-da! Oh goodness. Beautiful. All right, so we will proceed. Another bubble wrap inside, and this, take this off. Oh, okay. I love the size. So I have the magnetic lock. Okay, and I have one zipper. Oh, hear that, guys? Zipper slides so perfectly. So I have one zipper, and yeah, and there is a lock in the side. And there is another one too. Both side has lock. Okay. Material is so soft. All right, so we will take this off. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So here comes this, guys. And there is a small little chain, Chanel, made in Paris. Very cool. And this. Oh my goodness. We will check the stitches. Okay. It seems everything is in the perfect line. I don't see out of line stitches here. So the lock has a Chanel logo. This one too has a Chanel logo. And there is another Chanel. And this one. Okay. What do you think of this? Oh goodness, pretty, hey? Super. Chanel made in Italy. Okay, made in Italy. All right then. Beautiful. What a beauty. Lambskin, super soft. So look at this. Isn't it so pretty? Right? I know, guys, you might be telling behind this, like, well, why would I have to buy this kind of replica, this kind of stuff? Okay, so listen, you work hard so much, so you deserve to have a gift of yourself. Okay, that doesn't mean that inflation is here, we have to stop shopping. No, we have just to be very practical, wise buyer, you know, like we don't need to buy those old original price which is super high expensive. And why would we do that? Well, that is my all opinion. Okay, so for me, I would rather like to buy 5, 6 and more than pieces of that, and equivalent to the original price of all this, of this kind of product, right? So that doesn't mean that we have to stop shopping. We deserve, we work hard, so we have to have this kind of gift to ourselves, treat ourselves once in a while. Okay, so if I am going to give this a rate, I will definitely give this a 9.9. I love the material, very soft, super. I can't wait really to try this outdoor. And everything inside is just so neat. Very. Zipper was perfectly, as I've said earlier. And magnetic lock with the two both locks on the side here. So yeah, this is a gorgeous bag though. I love this. Thank you so much, Ustarbiz, for this. I super love this. So what are you waiting for? Go check this company down below and give a gift for yourself. Okay? So let's go try this on.